this is how you make crispy spicy chicken wings. So crispy. Hey there, what is up guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you a simple but delicious fried chicken recipe. It's one of my favorites. I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to make the perfect crispy chicken wings and how you can try this at home. So without further ado, let's go. So for this recipe, I'll be using 1 packet of chicken wings from any supermarket and give it a quick wash. Strain it out. When marinating the chicken wings, try to use a bigger bowl so there's more space for the chicken to marinate. Dry out the excess water and into the bowl. First, we need to have a quick look at the chicken wings. Sometimes there are fur bits that you need to remove, so just give it a quick pluck. And also, if you don't prefer eating the end bits, you can trim it off, like so. But I like to fry the chicken wing whole as it gives it more flavor. Here are some core ingredients that you'll need to marinate the chicken wings. 1 egg, some salt, about half a tablespoon. Start in the middle and shake it towards the outer layers. That way the seasoning will spread more evenly. Some MSG, about half a tablespoon again. Some white pepper, some sesame oil, some chili powder to make it spicy. If you don't like it spicy, you can do without it. About half a teaspoon. Now I'm going to show you the additional ingredients that you might like to add to your chicken wings to make it more flavorful. Some Malaysian curry powder. You can buy these from Chinese supermarkets and they come in a small packet. About half a tablespoon goes in. Garlic powder, half a teaspoon. You can use minced garlic for this recipe, but you need to mince it finely. And if the minced garlic burns in the oil, you will have a bitter aftertaste. I have some turmeric powder. This will give your chicken wings a nice color and make it more fragrant. You don't need much, just a very small amount, about half a teaspoon. And finally, I'm going to use some ground coriander powder. About 1 teaspoon goes in. Some water goes in, about half a bowl. And now we give it a quick mix. Make sure all the seasoning is being mixed into the chicken. So I've given it a good mix. Now it's very watery, but don't worry about it. You need to let it marinate, and then we need to batter the chicken when it's time to fry. Ideally, you should leave this in the fridge overnight with a piece of cling film over it, but you can also fry it as soon as after half an hour. Alright guys, we're back. I've let this chicken marinate for about an hour now, and now we're going to coat the chicken in batter. I am just going to use potato starch flour. We're going to start with half a bowl. Give it a mix. Now, the potato starch is going to start absorbing all the water contents and then it's going to stick to the chicken wings. Now, you need to make sure when you're mixing that it starts thickening and starts creating a gloopy texture. You need to put some force into this. Hold your bowl with one hand and use your other hand, starting to become very sticky. To make it more crispy, we're going to add a second layer of potato starch. Now, the second layer will really thicken it. As you can see, the batter is becoming quite dry. We don't want this. What you want to do is you want to add some water to balance out the batter. Now the chicken has been coated in the batter. When you fry this, it will make it really crispy. In a wok, heat up some oil. Now you can see your oil is really nice and hot now as it's smoky. So, chicken wings into the wok, one at a time. What you want to do is you want to scoop up the butter. Give it a shake. Don't touch the chicken yet. Give it a few seconds to settle. You want to see the bubbles. That means it's cooking the chicken. So after about 30 seconds, you can flip your chicken slowly. Turn it off. We're going to try gently separate the chicken. Back on medium heat. So we're just going to let these fry for about 5 minutes. They need to cook slowly because they have bones. And I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes. I've got it on really gentle heat. We're going to have a quick look at the chicken. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to check if the chicken wings are cooked. Get yourself some tongs and we're going to grab a piece of chicken here, especially a big one. And we're going to poke with a stick through the center for about 2 seconds. And pull it out. Give it a squeeze. If there's no blood coming out, it means the chicken wings are cooked. Try another piece. Got another big piece here. Poke it through. No blood coming out, so it means the chicken wings are cooked and we're ready to serve. High heat, 20 seconds to finalize the cooking process. Off the heat. Yeah, look at that. Look at the butter. I love the butter bits, they're the best. all the flavors in there, you know. Goes great with some chili sauce or ketchup, mayonnaise. Well guys, hope you've enjoyed that. Have fun trying out some fried chicken recipes at home. Hope it helped, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.